बट फाल्यां ग्राम सभा दवरल्या स्पेशल ग्राम सभा ऑन दी सनबर्न इशू लोतोली विलेज पंचायत कितें विशय तुमी
Actually, the problem कितून स्टार्ट जालें ते इव्हेंटाचे ते पळय हाय they came over there to the plateau on top and they were surveying the place. So some of our concerned villages now they are very active because of their garbage plant and all that thing. So they went over there and questioned them, what are you doing over here? They said we have come to survey. Survey for what? They couldn't give satisfactory answers. So they gathered and all that, and I think after that those people they left. And then it became a issue in the village, on the social media and all. Even people had come over there and all that kind of thing. So then some of our concerned villages, they said, okay, let us convene one extraordinary Gram Sabha to solve this issue. But there was a little bit controversy when it came in the paper. They said proposal for sunburn. Actually, it was not proposal. It was actually to oppose. Yeah. Everyone is opposing it. So anyway, that will be solved tomorrow when we are having our extraordinary Gram Sabha. It will be discussed and cleared. That point will be cleared. But it became quite an uproar because on social media, so many people started putting comments. Why Lotuli people proposing? There is no proposal application received anywhere in the panchayat in writing.
So this special Gram Sabha is to oppose sunburn.
To oppose. It is completely to oppose. All the villages in the south, I mean all of Goa on paper, they are all opposing it. So it's not a question of that Lotuli people will say we want it or whatever reason.
But the area तुमच्या इथून पडटा पंचायतीन.
Now that particular plateau on top where IDC and all those factories and industries have come, it is into three villages, almost four. One is Lotuli, one is Kortali, one is Nago, and one is Nuve.
So inspect केला तो तुमच्या इथून पडटा.
Verna. See, when they were measuring that area, those areas fall in almost half this side, half that side. So this particular area where they came there, it might have been coming in. That is the reason our people became very active.
Okay, some are saying Baba असला इव्हेंट tourism promote करपाक जाय. Some are saying it is dangerous. What?
See, now there are divided opinions of people on lot of issues. Now there's a very important point to be discussed over here. I got the opportunity. In this recent amendment to the Kumnidat Code, there is a clause where they are allowed to have events, private events, whatever it is. Now last Gram Sabha, I mean what is that, your Sunburn was held, it was somewhere in Bhardesh on Kumnidat land and 2.5 crore or something was to be paid. I don't know whether they still paid it. So in a way it is sort of a revenue generating event for them. But it's a private event. Now when you talk about these events are usually held on open plateaus. First they were on seashores, but then now this has become different story. Now those plateaus usually, as per the Kumnidat Code, were kept as grazing land. And those grazing land by the code, they just could not be used for any other purpose than what it is reserved for. Now when we go a little bit off the track, you talk about stray cattle. Where will the cattle go? In my village, I know in the month of May, they were taken on top. And during rainy season, they were brought down, the cattle. Where will the cattle go? Everyone has cordoned their properties with boundary walls and all, and the plateaus which were there are gone for other purpose. Where will the cattle go? You call them stray. They are not strays. We have made them stray. This is one cause. I don't know now whether Kumnidat has got some other land there which is not, not acquired by the government and all. It's a different story. Now even the garbage plant which is coming over there, that was formerly Kumnidat land. It was acquired for SEZ. Then they went in appeal even in Supreme Court and all, and it was released back. But released to whom? To the government of India. I mean Goa. Because it was acquired by that time. So the last owner is government of Goa, so it is released to them. Now what they do with that, like they are trying to come out with a garbage plant. I mean, in the agenda, in the present agenda, in the special Gram Sabha, that is the second point. The second point, we are saying no.
You all are saying no to garbage plant?
What happens is that concerned people from our village, the Kumnidat president, Mr. Blaze, Xavier, and our Panch and many have gathered, even Arvind Menezes also, they all gathered to that we say no. Because the problem is that now garbage is an issue which is not only for Lotoli, for anyone. Now if you go to see if that plant is allowed to come up there, see, now you have seen Sonshro. People do not know that Sonshro belongs to that area where their missionary is there and all. But the moment people were entering their Sonshro, they were throwing things out. They were thinking the whole area is Sonshro. The whole Lotoli will become Sonshro. So there are a lot of things, when the vehicles will move and...
So that is another point for tomorrow's Gram Sabha.
Yes, yes, it is there. This second point is this.
So people will say no, you mean to say?
101% people will say no. But who wants garbage from all these municipal areas and villages to be coming over there? Of course, there are concerned people like the Jean-Philippe was there, and it's already petitioned and all. They are there in the process, and they are trying to explain it to them that nothing like this will happen and all that. Now, if concerned people and the villagers and all are satisfied that this plant will not disturb the ecosystem and the environment and the water bodies and whatever that is, I don't know, it is a government. Now, government also is in a fix because we want development. Now, we want development and then there's a headache like, where is the land? Government does not have land. Who's got land is Kumnidar.
So, Lotolkar will say no to garbage plant also?
101% they'll say no to garbage plant. 101% they'll say. Who wants, if you ask any village if they want a garbage plant, they will say no. They'll say no. But tomorrow if you ask a question, what are you doing with your own garbage, wet garbage and all, they have no answers. Okay. And we don't have any answers.
And this is coming where? Verna Plateau in IDC area?
Yes, yes, it is coming there only.
And what about even for sunburn? 100% no?
101% no. Because see, the way sunburn is projected, like how it is shown and all that, now which village of who would like to have it?
Okay.
Only it is a private event. Finally, remember, it is a private event. So if they can fight some private land somewhere, I don't know about IDC land belongs to government.
But not in your backyard.
But if it is some private land, if there's some private owner, for that matter, comes ahead and says, okay, you have it in mind, then no one can stop it. The problem of it being misused and music, trance music and all that kind, those are the things to be seen by law enforcing authorities. But that person will say, I am giving my land.
Okay. But people will oppose.
People will oppose, people will have limitation over it because it is my property, I have given it.
Okay, thank you.